Okay, so we're out here in the beautiful Blue Mountain Range again. I don't think I'll ever be anywhere besides the Blue Mountain Range. This place is my home, and there's so many medicines here. It's such a biodiverse region. And so we're out just hiking around, enjoying a family day. In fact, my daughter's doing this video for me right now. And we came across this really, really beautiful stand of yellow dock. Now you're thinking to yourself, that weed looks about dead, and she is, and that's because so many people make the mistake of digging roots before the top half of the plant has died back. Roots are a fall medicine. I really urge you to wait until fall to be digging your roots. Because basically what a plant does is it stores up all these starches and all these nutrients and all these medicinal compounds all like late summer long, and so before then she's depleted because she's concentrating on her seeds. She's concentrating on her seeds, and she's concentrating on her leaves and her blooms and her fruit and any other thing this plant is creating. And then about midsummer, when she starts to die back, she starts diverting all these nutrients and minerals and starches and sugars to her root, because her root acts like a root cellar, meaning she's storing up enough of these nutrients to last until spring. So when you're digging roots in the spring, you're essentially digging a depleted root that has not much to give you. So let me see what I want to do here. Hey, hon, come over here. My husband, I make him get most of the roots. So we are after her root. And that's because her root is amazing. You want to pull a lady up for us? And that's because her root is amazing. Maybe closer to the water so you can hear it. Because her root is amazing at helping us assimilate iron. In fact, studies have shown yellow dock tincture will increase the iron levels in your body faster than over-the-counter iron will, and she won't make you constipated. In fact, if you're a menopausal woman or you're dealing with constipation, yellow dock tincture is pretty amazing at relieving constipation. She's not going to give you diarrhea, she's just going to help you get regular. So basically what she does is she goes into your body, into your food, and as you're eating, she helps make the iron that's available to your food available to your body. She is an amazing blood-building ally, and we are after her root. So if he can dig a root out, and I think he did, he's going to wash her up. I'm going to show you why we call her yellow dock. So while he's doing that, let me grab the camera. I'll show you some first year. So her first year, she pops up and she looks just like this. And it's common for her to get these rust spots when she's by the river, and it's getting cold out. So she's like, oh, that's cold. So first year isn't gonna get any bigger than this. And then second year turns into these real big plants that get these great little seeds on them that are pretty easy to identify. And one thing is, these seeds can be ground into a flour, and they are great to use with chocolate cake recipes. And now the seeds will have some pretty similar medicinal properties. So, you know, and you can kind of see how she's got that red tint to her, and you're thinking, oh, she probably doesn't grow around here. Well, here's the thing. She is incredibly invasive. I mean, she grows everywhere. If you've got a farm field near you, if you've got an empty city lot, she's probably growing near you. And where one grows, hundreds of them grow. You can see all these little ladies, all these first years. See, here's one that hasn't gone all the way to seed yet. All these first years that aren't coming up, and then here's a second year. She's a little late to the game here. But she's pretty great. So I've got some roots here of my very nice husband went and dug these up for me while I was jabbering at you. So I'm gonna go ahead. I know it's probably hard to hear me. Come over here or something, Jen. I'm gonna have her hold this camera with your hand through there so you don't drop it in the water. Put your hand through there. There you go. Just like that. Can you see? Can you see the roots? Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna clean her up a bit. Okay. Draw a little bit of the dirt off of her. Now let's see if she'll go yellow for us. Sometimes
times, and it might not because she's wet. She's got that yellow tint to her. Usually it comes more when they're dried out, but I'm telling you right now, you're going to want to wear gloves if you're processing a lot of this. And then when you make yourself a tincture, because we're after these roots, these are the tap roots that we're wanting to get. Some of them are bigger than others. Yeah, there she goes. She's starting to turn yellow on us. She'll turn a really, really, really bright yellow. And your tincture is going to go so yellow that it almost turns red. And it's really important that you're using fresh roots. And then, so if you scratch this root, in about an hour's time, it's gonna oxidize and turn really red for you. And so we'll be out here harvesting a bunch of these roots. You know, and it's just really great medicine. And so basically, you'll take these home, and I'll probably make a video of doing that. You'll take these home. You don't need to scrub them, just get the general dirt and gunk off of them. And then, splashing water everywhere. You just rip this bit off. It's easier with a knife, clearly. And then you're just gonna chop this up. You're just gonna chop her up, and you're gonna put it fresh and wet. Don't even worry about making sure it's dry or exactly clean. And then put it right into your jar with 100 proof vodka. But I'll definitely show you a video of how to do that. So, let me sit this lady down over here. That's yellow dock in the wild. So if you like my videos, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because that helps you find me and it helps other people find me. And then you know if I've taken a hiatus and you're like, oh, she hasn't posted for a while. And then you subscribe, you'll get a notification that I have posted again. And then make sure to like and comment, because that helps other people find me. It helps me know that I'm not just talking into the void and that you're here with me. And I just really like when people comment. It helps me not feel so alone. And then come find me on Instagram, come find my website, come find all these other things and come interact with me. And you can do that by following the links in my bio here. So, thank you so much for watching and getting to know our lady Yellow Dock. And you're definitely smart enough to get out here and find her. And again, she is so invasive, you'd probably be hard-pressed not to find her in your area. So get out there and get curious, all right? I'll see you next time, folks. Bye.